stream of No Orientation Programming. I'm Joe, and today we have a lot of to-dos. Today's stream is with music. Let's see if this is fine, okay. If you have any problems, then please tell me. So let's see. I have to arrange something. The Twitch chat. Let's see. Always on top. The notifications. Okay, seems to be fine. Let's see. Arranging OBS a little bit. So, okay. Oh yes, so should be working. Okay, fine. So, yeah. These are the points I want to finish today. Seems to looks like a lot, but I think they are all only small points. So let's see. First I want to create a documentation for the replacing process. Plant.oml live editor. Not this one. Not this one either. Online. This is the one I'm looking for. They're all fine. So, old stuff. So, do I need the tags? Let's see if I need them. Start.oml, end.oml, I think. So we have the component. It's called existing bad process. Old process as state 1. Then we have three things. We have a database A, a database B as a result of a component. Old processing. SOP, and I think let's see if this is working. A goes to OP and OP goes to B. Existing old processing, yes. Now the next step, if you want to, if you want to replace a process, then we make step-by-step changes, like creating a new process, and this new process is called new processing, and it takes the input from A. Oh no, state 2. Nope. Okay, A1, B1, A1, B1, A2, B2. No, op1. New process 2. Still a bug. So this is fine, and this is old process isn't connected to B. No, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. But it's ugly. Let's see if we can make this better. Yes. That's the thing. That's how I like it to be. So, so we have stage 1, and we move from state 1 to state 2. Come on. Perfect. So at the first, we have this situation, and then we are creating a new process. So the next step, copying the old process. That's state 3. So we have here 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. And we move from state 2 to state 3. Okay. What are we doing here? We are just from the old process 3, we copy the stuff to the new process. So the first situation is here having the old process, then Okay. So we have got an error from here to here. That has changed. We copied the old process. What are we doing now? We have the fourth phase, and that's improving new process until it's dominating. And that's state 4. That means we remove this and we make the new process plant OML. I think I have to change the OBS a little bit. I want to see how loud the audio is. Okay. Come on, what the hell? So, component diagram, and I want this to be bold. Color. Individual colors. Yellow. I don't want it to be yellow, but bold. Component style. Let's see. Until dominating, okay, and that's here. New process. Can I bold? Oh, is this working? Oh no. Yellow. I want to do this, right? How many arrows do we have? 1, 2, 3. I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3. No. One right, one down, one left. Is this better? Nope. One down, one right, one down. I'm missing an arrow from here to here. What if we remove this? How is a comment? A comment is no. Is a tick a comment? Yes. Okay, at least there are. This looks better, but plant ML default top down. This looks interesting. Can we use hidden down? Oh, fine. Perfect. This looks fine. Fancy, but okay. Let's see what do we have here. Is this a general layout command? Oh, top to bottom direction. This sounds fine as well. It's always tweaking the layout a little bit. Oh, come on, top to bottom direction. Okay. I want to have something like that from top to down, top to bottom. But I think let's see that later. Okay, let's check this later. So, okay, whatever. We can hide. We can hide the arrows at least. So it's hiding the messy part. So, and I want to have this. I want this to be bold, not. Bold. Let's see. Bold frame. Changing colors and fonts. Let's see. Is there some bold? Nope. Skin parameters. Maybe this is useful. Nope. Skin parameter. Skin parameter is for all. I think. Pink dashed. Bold. Together. This is for lines only. So, colors. At least a cool color. Let's get a cool color. A light steel blue. Let's try that. Oh, I can't copy the text. A light steel blue. Yes, good enough. Okay, so we have made the yes, so improving the new process until it is dominating, and now switching to new process. That's state 5. Five. Now, what we change is the direction, because now we have a dominating a new process, and that means we can use this process now because it's better in every aspect compared to the old process. And at this point we switch the output from this process to this process. New process 5. But let's change this to a different structure. Let's just make this down. Yes. At first we had the old process in the normal line, and then we have replaced the old process with the new process. It may still get the data from A, but now the next and last step is I know something was missing. 5, and we can already add this already. So because now we are copying the last state, 6. Deleting the old process. All started with creating the new process, and it ends by deleting the old process. And now we should have we should have a too big picture. I want them to be placed right under each other. Or at least I want to have something like a snake hidden right, down, left, down, right, down. Nope, not working. Right, down. How can maybe we could, because it's hidden, we could use OP1 to this could be working. This is a hack, but let's see. New process 2. Yes, a lot better, because there is an error from here to here hidden. Okay, now that's a bad hack. Okay, old process to new process 3. I think we can just not for every situation. Come on. At least no. Come on. Yes, a lot better. So these two processes are elements are connected with an invisible arrow. So okay, now the old process can be connected to the new process. Here we have a bug. We didn't see it before. Now OP3, OP4. new process down, and here we have a bug. Yes, that's it. Okay, fine. And then deleting old process. I have to remove the old process here. Fine. And the last connection is from the old process to the new process. Old, new, old, new, old, new, old, new, old, new. It didn't change. Nice. Interesting. So at the end, it's always a little bit plain to ML hacking, but this is it. And that's cool. That's very cool. These steps in between are the replacing process itself. So I could try to, let's see if this is working. Now I'm experimenting. Component replacing as RP. So now I make a big component holding these states, and now I try to directly connect the state 1 to replacing, and it shouldn't be hidden this time. Fine. That's fine for me. So, and now, please, state 6. But we could try to do this. Let's see. No. Not working either. Maybe I can again make something like this and state 5 down. Yes, because the algorithm is working better if it's connected to an inner state. And yes, I'm satisfied. Good enough. So I have an old process making something, changing A to B, and I want to replace it with a new process. Deleting old process. That's cool. Okay. I think that's cool. Now we try to add this to the wiki. Yeah, nice. Perfect. And now I will add this to the system documentation with replacing .plan2ml. That's fine. So build replacing PU. Now we should have an image. Perfect. Documentation add replacing. We try to use this process every time we change something in the system, because it's a standard procedure and it's quite convenient to do it in this way. So now let's make another. Let's make something else, and that is the definition of the lobbying process we will create hopefully in the next time. Yes, lobbying, as soon as we have made these points, then we start with the lobbying process. So let's see. We have a base structure of the server, where the message dispatching process creates a gaming process. So we have message dispatching and a gaming process. And we connect them, gaming down to message dispatching up to gaming. Perfect. Yes. And this gaming process creates two other processes called lobbying SL and component matching as that means gaming is connected up to lobbying and gaming is connected up to matching. Perfect. And lobbying. So what does the lobbying process create? There is a what do we get into the lobbying process? We get the database config for the lobby, a config for the lobby, CFG lobby database. We have a config for the server, and we have a database config for the config game a default game config. Yes. Fine. And these three are going into the lobby. That means config lobby goes into the lobby, as well as the server config and the game default config. Beautifying is always the last step. So, and the purpose. Yes, good enough. Yes, good enough. Okay. We could simplify this. Let's try this. Config lobby in. I think that's better. So, Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So, and the lobby is creating something for the matching process. What's the purpose of the lobbying process is to let people in, and that means we have a component that is called user lobby interacting as user lobby user lobby interacting. The lobby is creating this process, lobby up. Perfect. And it's communicating up and down as well as this. Perfect. Now, what is the data, the lobby creating with the help of the users? It's creating a database, and that is config server as well as the game. And that's the result of the lobby. Perfect. And the output goes into the matching process. Right, matching. Yes, perfect. Perfect. but the matching process is creating a result as well. So, and what do we get from the matching process? A game and I forgot something. A very important thing, the team configuration. So at first we have a lobby config for the lobby itself, then a server config and a game default config. This game default config gets changed by the users. So we have a resulting game config and we have a team configuration too. And these three things go into the matching process. Now the result of the matching process is the following. It is creating statistics. Who has won? That's the result of the matching process. And I hope I can do something like that. Matching process. Left to statistics. Yeah, let's see. And stats go left into the lobby again. What's this? Stats go into the lobby. Okay, now it's working. This is not beautiful, but let's see if we can improve this. Up, left, down. From the stats I want to go down, and then from MA. Yes, perfect, perfect. Yep. It's always tweaking the final optic. Okay, and that's it. So this will be this is the system overview of what we are making. We will create a process that is communicating with the dispatching. With the dispatching. I still want to change it a little bit. I don't call this. Oh, now it will get messy. Let's see. I call this the gaming process, and it's holding everything together except the message dispatcher, and we have this internal dispatching process. Okay, let's see. The message dispatcher is communicating with the dispatching process. And the dispatcher process is communicating with the lobby process and the matching process. That's fine. I hope this is it. gaming. I did copy that. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Is it perfect? Yes, I think it's perfect. So now we can see that it's similar as before. It's almost the same. The message dispatching process is creating the gaming process, and it's communicating back and forth by the messages. If we draw a circle from here around and include, if we draw a circle and we include the gaming and the messages, then we see we cross two types of errors. And that means that the error is getting bidirectional, like here. Okay, let's see. The logging process. We create the logging process that is communicating with the message dispatching, with the parent process. And it's using a lobby config, a server config, and a default game config. It lets connect users and creates an interacting process for every user, because the lobbying process will have multiple pages and stuff like that, and we need to save the states of each user. Okay, and then it creates a config for the server, for the game, and it has a team config, and the matching process can transforms this to the statistics, and the lobbying process later can display the statistics for one match and for the whole server. So that's cool. That's very cool. Lobbying. Let's check if this is fine. I think that's fine. So, and we copy this text to our wiki page. That's cool. So now we have created the documentation. And now we can begin to implement the stuff. Okay, Let's see. Connect for matching. Connect for matching. Yes. Yes, let's see what we will first implement the disconnection buttons. So we close the matching stuff. If I connect to the server and I press Control C, nothing is happening, and if I press Control D, nothing is happening either. We see that we get the keys 3 and 4 if I press these two keys. Let's check what happens if I use PuTTY. Hopefully I get the same keys. Control C is 3 and Control D is 4. That's cool. Main lib gaming. Control D and Control C. Let's make another function. Key is user disconnect. And yeah, this isn't. Yes, that's now I know the reason why I didn't implement that yet. And the reason is because the processing of the keys is different in every state, and I don't want to add this to every state. Let's see. We can check this here. How many keyget functions do we have? Without these are all places, all the places where this is processed. But I want an overall how can it change this so everything is using these two keys? Ooh. Okay, let's see, maybe key get. If we got a key, key let's see, if key is user disconnect, then make something with the connection, like shut down or something. Okay, this could actually work. So the key function, every time I process the keys in general. Okay, this could work. That's in the transferring process. Do we have something? Let's make a function and try if it's working. Void then set done is false. And in the process function, if we are done, return positive. We have a send function. Now, done is true. It's false if it's checked. Okay, and now if we are here, then we set the done flag. Come on. Member variables. Okay. Let's see what is happening now. If I press connection closed by host. Yes? Yes, that's cool. Let's see what happens if I create. I connect. Create a server. I connect to Mias and now I press C. Oh, nice. Nice, that's cool. I connected. We see that I have joined the server, and if I press Ctrl D or Ctrl C, every process is shut down of the Gamer Joe. And if the process is shut down for some reason and the message dispatching process sees that the game is connected to a game, then it sends by itself that the message dispatching process sends a disconnect to the game, to the affected game. That's cool. I connect, press Ctrl C. Perfect. Think this is cool. So, doc add lobbying. Add done flag. Use done flag. Lib gaming. Add function is key is user disconnect. Use function. Set transfer done if user wants to disconnect. In function key process if user wants to disconnect. Cool. Fine. Who now? So first to do done. That's cool. Connect for gaming emphasize. Restore terminal cursor on disconnect. Yep. That's very important. That's very important. Oh. That is harder than it looks like. This is harder than it looks like. Interesting. Interesting. Because at first we could at least do the normal way, because if I connect to the server, the cursor should be disabled already, and if I press Ctrl C and I press D, then I don't see the cursor like here. It's different. Here I see the cursor, and here the cursor is still invisible because the server disabled the cursor. It would be annoying to have it here. And yes, I think that's cool. Huh. Actually, no, it's not cool. We have to rethink this. This connection structure. Because this key get function can't key get this key get function should not use the transferring process directly. Because we have a protocol dependent shutdown. We have a protocol dependent shutdown. What happens? Can we? The main problem is this. In the transferring process, we stick the socket ID directly to the process. It's encapsulated. And if we do a shutdown, if the process is shut down, then we close the socket. And this disconnect is done during a shutdown. On multiple occasions. Only in the shutdown function. Only in the shutdown function. Not only in the shutdown function, but on an error. we peak the bytes. If we can't get any bytes, then the connection is reset by the peer. Okay. So we may be lucky because send. The send function can be used anytime, even if the process has finished, but not shut down at the moment. So let's see. Who is making this, the transferring process? The gamer interacting. So we have a transferring process and an authorizing process. We have to create a complete filter stage. And dependent on the protocol, we need to react in a different way. Because, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's a cool example. Because this gaming thing, this line was quite the heck. The key function. Oh, we have to remove this. This is a bad hack. That would be a very bad thing to do. Okay, let's see. We lost one to do. Okay, so no problem. The key process, the key get function is very low level. Do not kill. I removed the whole stuff. Git rebase. So I remove these four. Because we are not allowed to do such thing like I removed too much. Okay. It was working, but it wasn't working as intended. Oof. A low level function is never allowed to yes. I think we have. We could do something else. A low level function is never allowed to directly shut down anything, because it can only say that we have received the request from the user to disconnect completely, and then the high level processes must decide what they have to do. For example, we disable the cursor in Telnet as well as in SSH, and this could be done in different ways. It's protocol dependent. We have to restore the terminal of the user in every case, and because it's protocol dependent, it can't be done here in the neither in the key-get function or in the transferring function. The transferring process only transfers bytes, and what the meaning of the bytes itself must be processed in the protocol specific processes. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah, so that's no problem, because we just have to do something else before that. Okay, doc replacing and doc lobbying. So that's fine to me. Okay. Yep. So this, we have checked this. That's done. Here we need the filter structure. Document nope. Create a transferring concept. Okay. We have something like this. We have a transferring process in the game, no, not in the game selecting, in the user interacting process mpcon. We have this transferring process, and the authorization is done. Is done via telnet or via SSH, and in these processes already we need to use the filter. A protocol dependent filter, and afterwards we still have to use this filter. These processes make some data packet processing as well as interactions with the user. They have to restore the terminal of the user. If the authorization process gets aborted, then they have to restore the stuff. Okay, telnet authorizing. Ha. Ooh. That's not protocol dependent. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, come on. I deleted all the stuff just because. We still cannot terminate the connection directly in the key get function, but it would be a workaround. No, we can't do this. We can do something else, at least. I think. Let's see. We could say the message is to restore the cursor. The last message we send is to restore the cursor for both SSH and... Does this make sense? Actually, no. That's interesting. That's interesting. Let's re-implement that stuff because we can remove it later. Then we have something we can refactor. That's fine. Done set. Done is true. Done is false. And in the protected area we have a bool done. And in the TCP transferring process we have processing, and if done return positive. Okay, and in the lib gaming stuff key get if key is user disconnect key, then pcon done set. And the last thing we will send here is the cursor restore. And the escape codes. Hide the cursor, shows the cursor from them. What? Shows the cursor with H and then hides the cursor with L. Okay. High and low, I guess. Low hides the cursor and high would restore it. Let's see if this is working. So if, yes, it's working as expected. Conceptually it's completely wrong, but haha, that's fine. Conceptually it's quite wrong. But it's actually this isn't that wrong. Doesn't matter because it's working fine at the moment. That's a good example. That's a good example. Okay, so implement stuff. Check. And then we also have restore terminal cursor. Restore terminal cursor on user disconnect. Okay. Back and forth. So add function done. That's it. Use function done. Add function key is user disconnect. set connection to done if in function key get if gamer disconnected. Send restore cursor if transferring is done. Command. Yes. Documentation replacing. Yeah. Okay, good enough. So, oh yes, we have almost an hour now. So frame, yes. Connect for matching. Emphasize winning row. Let's do this. Games. As soon as we have finished the match, I want to show which row was the winning condition. So blink. Not wireless, 3 decimal blink, slow blink, rapid blink. To less than not widely supported, okay. Turning off blinking. Slow blink is 5 and not blinking is 20. Is 0. Okay, slow blink. Let's check. Message board. Let's try to make the whole stuff blinking all the time. Slow blink is 5. I think. X and O. And I think I want to add this here. Well, let's see what's happening now. It's blinking. Ah, now I know why I... Ooh, not supported. Okay. So, okay. This didn't work. I call this the CF emphasize. Uh, 92. What is 92? Bright green. Bright green, but it's not bold. I think bright is bright bold. Let's see what's doing this, what this is doing. Ah. I think it's a little bit different, yes. Hmm. I have a different, I have a better idea, I think. Because I don't want to change the color, but I will just use the darker version. 92, 92. Bright green is then green. And 6 is cyan, yeah. Okay. Now, I have to change the type of the board to something different. Why is this here? Garbage. So, struct board cell And this cell has an uint 8 team and an emphasize. And now I have to mem set size of board. Of MP board. I think this is fine, hopefully. Let's check. Yes, now. Yes. Team start is team. Team, no. Cell. I think this should work now. Cannot convert board cell pointer to uint pointer. Yes, that's true. Board cell. Okay, now looks promising. Oh, I have to create the server. Size of is 84. Why it's 84? Because we have, hopefully I can calculate this now. Rows 6 times 7 is 42. And 2 characters means 84. Okay. So the size of should be fine. We have changed this already, that's fine. So now, match finished. We check if the match is finished by executing the board start check. And then we execute the line check. And we check if we have 4 in a row. Oh, come on. Call start is equal to call. Fine. If we come to this point, whatever. So we go through a specific line of the board and check if one team is winning. If we see that at any point the team is not equal to the start team, so it has different teams in one line, then return 0. If anything is telling us that the team does not, that there is no winning team in this line, then we return 0. If here we have a winner and we emphasize this row by going through the row again and then say emphasize is true. And if when we print the board, board cell p cell is null, p cell is this, p cell team is 1, then print this, okay, otherwise this. And if p cell is emphasized, then now this... Oh, this is very bad. Four stages. That's not beautiful. But whatever, I hope this is the last change in this function, as always. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Okay, spectating. Come on. Why? It's not working at all. Okay. Why is that? Why? So let's see. This should be fine. Maybe we have... borderline check. This returns the winner. If we have a winner, then only in this case it's doing something. Maybe the initialization is not working. Hey ho! Ui, Schraffi. Tomorrow? Action? Fleißig am Implementieren. Machen wir morgen eine Session, eine Platinen-Session. Okay, ja cool. Hörst du eine Musik und ist die vom Pegel her angenehm, sodass sie nicht stört, wenn ich rede? Zu laut? Besser? Kann man das so lassen? Ein bisschen leiser habe ich es gedreht. Super, okay, also 25 herum. Zwischen 25 und 30. Okay, perfekt. Mhm. Ja, super. Was tut sich bei dir? Haben wir überhaupt noch irgendwas? Haben wir noch neue Platinen? Passt gut, sehr gut. Perfekt, danke. Oh, ist beim Chris. Schöne Grüße. Schöne Grüße. Cool, jetzt ist so eine Rockparty. Vorher war es immer so eine Elektronik. Mm. Ah, ihr seid ja jetzt am Aufnehmen von den Spuren einzeln. Das war jetzt sehr hilfreich mit dem Audio, weil die Audiospur, die habe ich nur jetzt im Stream und im Video, das dann bei Twitch liegt, beziehungsweise YouTube, gibt es dann keine Musik. Die Musik ist nur während dem Stream zu hören. Hm. So, also, wir haben aus irgendeinem Grund hier dunkle Farben, obwohl wir die nicht haben sollten. Aha, ich kann das machen. Hoho, ich habe eine richtig coole Funktion. Team Cursor Calculate. Ich habe hier eine Hexdump Function. Hexdump. Und da ist aber alles null. Wie strange ist das? Was ist, wenn ich hier unten bleibe, in der ersten Reihe? Das zweite hat schon eine andere Farbe. Und dann bleibt die Farbe... Nein. Wie strange ist das? Wahnsinn. Kann es ja nicht sein. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Wo ist das? Ah. Why is this in a different color? I don't get it. The hell? I could... Yes, I could do a hex dump. At every round. Round start, round done, wait. Round finished, round result accept. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. And that's it. Here we have the 2, 1. This is fine. And here we have set the complete stuff to 0. Why? This is fine. Okay, let's see. P call. What do we do here? P call. Around result accept. Okay. Yes, as long as the team is 0, continue. Otherwise, portal P cell. But I think it has something to do with this function. MP board. I think it has something to do with the accept function. And result accept. Let's see if we put the return here, if this is still the case. No. On the second. That's so amazing. Oh, come on. So it's not this function. True. What? Winner. Oh, no, come on. Cursor. Start div. Do we have a pointer? Where do we have a pointer? maybe it's that's a memory related bug. At the second, as soon as the second team match in it, this is after this is it, the value is fine. Oh, come on. Can't be this. That's fine, okay. Somewhere in lib matching. Must be somewhere in lib matching. So let's see. P cell. If this is equal to 1, then emphasize set team 1, the string. Here we take the pointer of the cursor and go to 0, and then we can only... Ah, hi, noch online. Didn't recognize the chat. Cool. Glad to see you. We implemented some stuff already. We implemented that you are able to disconnect from the server immediately by pressing Ctrl-C or Ctrl-D, and the cursor now gets restored as soon as you disconnect. Sometimes. Okay. Exit. So I have to send this as well in this case. Yep. Hopefully this is working now. Nope, because I added it in the wrong stuff. Abort. I'm aborted. If the authentication is aborted, yes, no, this is fine too. So we have some cases. Selection done, application options requested, application leave. Here we have to add this. Yeah. There are some corner cases. So let's see. If I press escape, then this is fine. And if I press here, yeah, that's fine too. Now I have the cursor in every situation. Okay. And that's one thing we have done. And we have created some documentation. We will create a lobbying process in the near future, and this lobbying process is is replacing the old lobbying process, and for the replacing process we will use this procedure. We have an old lobbying process, we create the new one, we copy the good stuff from the old process, we improve the new process, and then we switch, and then we replace the lobbying process. And the new one will get some configurations and create a game configuration for the matching process, and then we create the statistics in the matching process, and then we can the people can chat here, and they can see what happened, who is the winner, how many times each team has won. So this will be the goal for the next streams, and today we want to finish these small points, but they are quite tricky, although they are very, very small. And for example, at the moment, I want to emphasize the winning row. If a team has won, but we have some strange bug in the memory, when the match begins, we have at the end of a round we have the memory set to 0. That's fine, but as soon as the second row has finished, the memory has a lot of ones in it, and this means we see an emphasized entry, but I don't know why we have this inside. I don't know where the ones come from. So let's see. Is there some pattern? We have, let's see, that's a strange bug. Logs. This is the board memory. Yeah, thank you. Bye. So we have, this must be rotated 90 degree clockwise. Team 1, Team 2. The first one are not emphasized. Fine. That's here. The first ones are not emphasized. Then Team 1, Team 2. Team 2, Team 2. Yes, 3. Team 2. So, and that's one row. Okay, let's see. I could, ooh. I could do something different. That makes it a little bit easier. Made lip gaming. Hex dump. Len. Colwith. Colwith is per default 16 or 20 hex, and if non-bytes per line, ooh, where is the new line? There must be a new line somewhere. Buffer line, okay, buffer line. So, num bytes per line. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Okay. Why? The default width was wrong, but even then we have a bug. Oh no. Yes. I think the line buffer isn't big enough. I want to recheck this. Let's see. Yeah, it was the buffer. Perfect. So now I want to use a different size, and that's the one, two, three, four, five, six. The rows. Mm-hmm. I think that's fine, yeah. So now I can just copy the content. Mm-hmm. Fine. So, and this memory is rotated 90 degrees. That's okay. So I have 1 is equal to x and 2 is equal to O. Yes. So, and every second byte is the emphasize byte. So this is not emphasized, but this is, although it shouldn't be, and this is too. And the strange thing is that this seems to be an overwritten value, and this is fine, like here or here. But let's play a little while. I want to see if it's only on the bottom row. It's after the second round. Come on, that's a strange bug. Now it's emphasized. This is still emphasized. It seems that something is writing in... Oh, no. Oh, come on. And even the emphasize function itself isn't working. Ah. No. Yes. Oh, come on. No. This should be okay. What is writing into the memory? I only see once. This can't be the issue either. Let's see. Okay, it was the only function that has written the emphasize thing. That does make sense. So now the memory is still fine. Okay, this function is bad somehow. Borderline check. We shouldn't be in this area. Interesting. Okay, let's see. I'm here. Debugging like a pro. I'm not expecting this. Yes. Okay. Now I understand. Yeah. Okay. The reason is that we leave the board in some cases. When we check a star and checking a star means from one point we go out 4 elements. And if we are here and we reach to the end, then no, if we are in the middle, if we are checking in the middle and we reach the end of the 4, it's the other way around. So if we reach the end of the for loop, we could yes. So because it's the way it's implemented. We don't need this. We don't need this. We just can say if not start team, then return 0. Otherwise calculate. Yeah, that's the fix. That's beautiful. Oh, strange stuff. Okay, hopefully it's working and I'm not too early padding. So now I want to do this. Still okay. This took me way too long. But yeah, that's the case very often. So 3 times, you're spectating now, fine. I hope it's working now. And as soon as I've reached 4, they should be a little bit darker. But all 4, not just 3. Ah, come on. Ay, ay, ay. So now all 4x should be darker. And if that's the case, then we are done for this point. Yes. Yeah, that's okay for me. Okay, let's see. Improve function hex dump. Perfect, and then add doc add bug doc add bug log. Ah, come on. Reset cursor in all cases. In remaining cases. Emphasize yes, this is what I was looking for. Emphasize American English, yeah. Emphasize winning cells. Okay, pooh. So a little and easy function. And it's punking us. So, okay. So this will be a bigger task. Oh, frame, yes. No. This is public domain. We add this to the resources names.txt. What the hell? Ah, it's a bug in the bug in Vim. Okay. Let's see. Delete. Yeah. Okay. Cut names. Three. Yes. That's fine. 2. Names. 2. Yeah, that's cool. And now I don't want a name longer than let's see if this is working. This is not what I wanted to do. How to locate lines longer than 100 and smaller than... Ah, okay. I could use something like this. Do not delete, but filter. Pass. Lines that are 3 or smaller than 16, 14, let's say 5. Only 4. Ah, 3 or 5, yeah. Yes, that's cool. Uh-huh. That's cool. So we only support names that are 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 long, whatever. Let's see, that's a long name. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 14. That's reasonable. So where should I document this? Doc. The logs. Okay, fine. Let's see. Now let's see. Oh, nope. This was the original. This is the filtered version. We have removed AB. We now should have only names that are 3 characters long or longer. I guess we don't have any name that was too long. Ah, that's cool. We could test another thing. and check if we have a difference if we do this. Let's see. Yes, we have filtered. We have filtered one name. Nice, cool. So it did make sense. So remove this, and now we have a names.txt. Command is not a good name for this. So, okay. Now we have a names file in the resources. Yes, fine. And in order to get this compiled, we need to regenerate the dependency list. Now we have this text file, and we can close the connect for matching. That's cool. Cool. And we will change the telnet authorizing process. We changed two things. Welcome send. Continue wait. If we got a key and this key is not accept, don't just break but completely abort. Let's see. Welcome L, that's fine. Welcome enter, that's fine. Welcome G, escape Q space, nice, 5. So the user has to press enter or L, and only in these cases. I want to make it like that. Key is equal to key enter. Message welcome. Enter continue. Else quit. I thought this was happening. So, welcome, enter, continue, else, go out. That's fine. Okay. Hist add task. Disconnect if on welcome page if key is not entered. So in order to enter the server, you have to press enter. Anything else would mean a disconnect, and the reason is it's a filtering method, an easy and simple filtering method for filtering bots which try to enter a username at this point. So let's see how many tasks we can disconnect on key is not enter. Okay. Let's see if this gets truncated. Settings, version history. Disconnect on key is not enter. Fine, that's cool. How many signs can I have? Setting. Here. 36. Close. Okay, cool. Now. Oh, almost done, almost done. Yes. Name is gamer. Name. And this. That's the reason why we truncated the names list, because we will add an possessive s afterwards. And the reason why we will do this, a guest cannot set the name, and the reason is because a guest should be able to play, but we don't want to have any strange names, not in the user list and not in the server list. So that means we create I think we have an vec string here. Yep, static vec string. file string guest names and now in the dispatching process res to vec string we load this function the names and the telnet authorizing process has a list of names that can be assigned to a guest. I hope this is easier than the last task. It was very unfortunate. So and because we remove this completely, we don't have a name set state anymore. We just have a continue wait and then name set return positive. Oh, all the cool code is gone. Key get. We don't. Can we have an escape? Continue. No, we have the escape here. We can push back. Nope, 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 nope. This is it. Welcome send, message name. We do not have a message name anymore. We just set the name here, name set with a random name. That's cool because then we have one frame less to beautify. That's fine. So now I want to proc warning log name names dot size. Let's check how many names we have available. And that is guest names dot size. Let's see if we can. Oi. Is protected. Indeed. Oh, come on. Was not declared what. Vecstring does not name a type. Lib gaming. Oh, I'm so happy that the flickering is gone. It's so important. So let's see. If I hit this, then I get the welcome stream. If I press D, then I'm out. If I press enter, I'm at the server list immediately, but I don't have a name yet. That's cool. Fine. I should see names.size. Nope, why? Ooh. Let's see. Resources, names. A set list. Set list. Okay. What the hell? Message dispatching. Resto. Haha. Ah. 22,000 names. I think that's quite enough for a while. So not too many, but for the guests, yeah, okay. So nice. Now a random device. Random device. What happens if I remove this line? Nothing happens. That's fine. Okay. Random. Only key exchanging. Lib. Key exchanging random. Okay. That's fine. I make a function void name set. That's cool. Now. This was the reason why I wanted to copy this. Between this and -1, we pick an index, and then m gamer name is equal to distgen index name is equal to that. And then we just say your name. Is this. Ah, come on. It's not declared. Ah, yeah, because not declared. So, let's check. Now I'm Lexi. Now I'm Kaz. Cool. Now I'm Schlicher. Folsom. Bainbridge. That's fun, that's cool. Bowls. So, fine. But now I can still can create something like this, a game name like you suck, and that's annoying. And therefore, okay, the authorizing process is fine. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Load. Come on, git add telnet. Set a random name. Okay. Remove that code. So nice. Okay. Telnet. Name set frame. Remove. Set a random name. Okay, we have game selecting. Yes, I think we should be able to, if we connect game selecting, yeah, the selecting process. We have to use the selecting process, and hopefully we have an authentication ring. Yeah, that's fine. Because name types list, and here we have message name. Yeah, and set the game name. Create, if we create a game name set, result is create, but if oh yeah, game selecting gamer name, gamer name plus this, and if p ring, no, level, I guess, is smaller than bigger or equal than our level guest. Let's see if this is fine. Yeah. Okay. Now I connect with a guest. I create the game. Welcome to Lobby of Losers. That's fine. I'm at ring 2 because I'm connecting from the local host, but I still have a random name because I'm coming from the Telnet channel. Okay, let's see if I connect. Fine. Toulouse, nice. If I create a server, then I can still set the name because I have the appropriate rights to do so. And that's okay. Cool. Now we have an easy way to avoid strange usernames as well as strange server names. Banana Bear will not be amused. He was very creative, making funny names. So this was quite easy. Skip name setting if skip server name setting for guests. Cool. Disconnect if key is not enter. Set random gamer name for guests and server name is for guests. Cool. Fine. That's cool. So today we have achieved quite something. So Marlowe. Marlowe's. It's cool. We have improved the Connect for gaming. Let's see. I think the Connect for Gaming process is quite finished. That's cool. That's cool. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, okay. Oh. Yeah, okay. Do we have anything else for today? I don't think so. The lobbying process. Yeah, this concept will be done after the SSH stuff is done. Game create plus. Okay, the frames. I need to improve the frames. And this will be done after the SSH channel is finished, so I see the real requirements. So core, should we change the core at the end? No, and this is not important at the moment. Okay, so next is the logging process. Oh, this is wrong. So backlog admin, the lobbying. Yeah, okay. We could at least prepare the stuff. Okay. I need at different gaming process. And I call this dummy gaming. And I can rename. A CPP rename connect for gaming to dummy gaming. I don't need this. I don't need this. And I think I don't need this. Okay. So now I just need to add dummy gaming. And let's see if now I have a CF. I have to change the CF to dummy state. Okay, CF dummy. Oh. Let's see if I compile this. Okay, I can compile it. So that means I can in the dispatching process connect. I'm registering a game and it's called dummy gaming. This will not work because I need to include connect for gaming dummy gaming. No such file because I need to add the include directory inks p dummy perfect. And now I can create a dummy game, and this dummy game is exactly like Connect 4 Gaming because I have reused the processes. And the thing I do here is now that I don't create a Connect 4 lobbing, but just the lobbing process. So I will lobbying is in the include list, and we don't have these. We don't have these member variables in the new lobbying process. We just have to copy it from the old one. So now we are in the copying stage. Now we just copy everything that was fine, and then we will improve it. But we should not copy it step by step, but we should copy the entire thing. Remove the lobbying thing here and copy this file. And as you can see, this is bad. But the connect for gaming, no. I opened the wrong file, so yeah. Okay, yeah, this looks better. A lot better. So now we have copied, oh yeah, the wrong file. So now first stage, copy the stuff and then improve it by CPP renaming connect for lobbying. Perfect. Now let's try to compile this. Previous declaration here, yep. CFL lobby LB state LB lob state. CFL lob. Perfect. Now it should still work, but now we already have the new lobbying process running. We have the old matching, connect for matching process, but a new gaming process, and it's reusing the connect for gaming connect for matching process, and it's using a new lobby process. We could check this out here, I guess, localhost 3000. I try to not print this information in the dummy gaming. That's done here. F0. So as you can see, we have a dummy gaming process and the new lobbying process. and everything is working perfectly fine. We could create the connect for gaming process. Wait a moment. Connect for gaming. And as you can see, if we select connect for gaming, then the old connect for gaming process is used, and this gaming process starts the connect for lobbying process, the old one, the bad one, and or the minimal version of a lobbying process. And now we have a starting base, and then we can improve this lobbying process step by step, but we still have the opportunity to play the old game as before, and we can if both things are existing at the same time, then we can compare them. Maybe we should improve this is a comparing process. By comparing, and we should have old process and new process for Okay, this is fine for me. I thought if I should make it in both directions. Yes, why not? It's possible during this phase that that we still improve the old process, because the development of the new process could take a while. So let's see, documentation system replacing until it's terminating by comparing. Perfect. Oh, good. Add dog broken trees. Dog add emphasize screenshot. Dog improve replacing. So what did we do? We changed connect for gaming. Why? Ah, yeah. Remove, no, disable debug info. Prepare, no, copying, do copying stage. So perfect. Yes, I think this is it. I think this is it. And for the next time, we will implement. Okay, so I think we are finished for today. Get a push Bitburger Gaming, and now don't forget to raid. That's fine. That's fine. 7 name is gamers list. Okay. The next version is 10.7. That's cool. Come on. Dummy gaming. And that's what we have accomplished for today. Okay. It was nice to see you. So, and now we. Oh, JV Pig is finishing his farting device. Yes. Let's see how far he is. Oh, cool, Hanran, cool. I used this one. So let's see. Now, bye. Until next time. So, wait.